It will be our first step named Cat Daddy. For this step, take this angle and do rock groove frontwards. 1, 2. Same with other side. 1, 2. Alright. Now do this single, single, double, single, single and double. Alright. Now this is 1, this is 2. When you do double, then bend with your knees like this and bend. It looks like this. Alright. Same with other side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. When you go down, make sure your body will be loose like this. 1 and 2. Now do 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the groove of this step. Now we'll add hand movements. Just brush your hand like this. 1. Same with other side. 1, 2. And the same time your second hand goes backwards and do same movement on the back like this. We'll see from the back like this, and 2 and 3 and 4. Alright, and these are the hand movements. Now we'll do all steps together and add one more hand movement like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It will be our second hand movement. 1 and 2. Just roll frontwards like this. 1, 2. Alright. Now we'll do slow. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now try fast. So this is our Cat Daddy step. Now it will be our second step named Louis Shake. We will start from the hand movements. Take this angle and just punch like this and pull down. Same with other side and pull down. 1, pull, 2, pull. Now do this. One will be pull, one will be punch like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now do this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now we'll add hip groove like this. Just rock side to side like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Alright. Now do this. Take position 1 and position 2 and position means 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now we'll do all together. Take this angle and take this position. Punch and hip movement will be opposite side all the time. This is our start position. Now this is 1, this is and this is 2. This is 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now little fast. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Now we'll add twist movement like this. When you count 2, then twist with your upper body. 2, 1 and 2, and your hip movement will be same, and just twist with your upper body. 1 and 2, one end will be straight, 2 will be twisted. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Now do little fast. Now this is our Louis shake step. Now we will learn its variation. For this step, just jump side to side like this. Whole step looks like this. So it was our today's lesson. We will meet on our next lesson. Till then, keep dancing. Bye.